So guys, here's what's happening. This is a phase 1 testing, the very first flight for this, November 352 Mike Golf. So we just got the airworthiness. Oh, by the way, this is Henry at Adventure Air, as if you guys didn't know. And so there's a whole bunch of flight testing and stuff that we have to do on these brand new ships. And I get to luckily do the first couple of flights here to make sure things are working okay. So this is the phase 1 testing that we're doing, and this is first flight. So it's kind of boring at first because all we're going to do is do some taxiing and maybe go down.
Charlie Bravo, are you still frequency?
We'll go down the runway a bit and see if it is working. So everything so far looks good. I did a very, very, very thorough pre-flight on this guy. Everything seems to look okay. No traffic. I'm going to give the ground guy a call and tell him we want to go to the runway. So here we go. And Chino ground, gyro 352 Mike Golf at Eagles Nest 2, taxi 26 right with, was it Mike?
And gyro calling with Mike, call sign on please.
352 Mike Golf.
Number 352 Mike Golf, Chino ground, the runway 26 right, taxi via Mike Delta Alpha, across runway 21.
26 right via Mike Delta Alpha, across 21 for 352 Mike Golf. So exciting, exciting. The owner was very excited that we were going to get this guy up in the air today. So we'll see if we can make it happen. So a lot of it is monitoring all the instrumentation, making sure it all works right, checking out the tires, the tire pressure, the brakes on the ground, of course. We want everything to be running the right way. This one has a 916 engine on it, so it's got the big boy engine. All our temperatures are looking good. Oil pressure, fuel pressure looks good. The coolant temperature looks good. We've got about 15 gallons in here. No, I'm sorry, we have four gallons in here. And everything is in the green. Looking good. By the way, this is the Ella EVO 916 engine tandem model gyroplane built by Ella of Spain. And we actually built this one with the owner whose name is Marty. So this first test we're going to do is we're going to do a taxi test down the runway, which means that hopefully we'll not even leave the ground. I am going to do a wheel balance, get the front nose up off the ground, and just taxi down the runway with the nose off the ground. That's the first test that we do, just to make sure that everything is working fine before we get in the air.
Gyro 0 Mike Golf, runway 26 right, high-speed taxi approved.
High-speed taxi approved, 352 Mike Golf.
November 6304 Mike Chino Tower, make a right traffic, runway 26 right.
Okay, we are in flight mode. Out to the middle of the runway. Spin that rotor up. Here we go.
November 46 Echo, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Rotor speed 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210. We'll give it a little extra, 220. There we go. Stick back. Nose up.
Traffic.
A little right pedal, left stick, about like it's supposed to be.
Over 2 Mike Golf, turn right at Kilo, contact ground, plane 6.
Right at Kilo, contact ground, 2 Mike Golf. All right, success so far. Okay, guys, that first that first test was fine. Everything was normal. Everything worked very well. So this next time, we will actually get off the ground. It'll be the first time this gyro has been off the ground. So wish me luck. Chino Tower, gyro 352, Mike Golf, holding short 26 right for a low pass down the runway, and I will exit at the end of the runway.
352, Mike Golf, Chino Tower, runway 26 right, cleared, high-speed taxi approved.
High-speed taxi approved, 352, Mike Golf. This is a brand new ship, the first time it's been off the ground.
Sounds good.
Rotor speed 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220. Off we go. Stick back, center line. Rotor speed's climbing.
Number 04, Mike. Right, turn base over the watch, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Turn base over the watch, 04, Mike, 26 right. 26 right, clear to land, 04, Mike.
Gyro 2, Mike Golf, contact ground.
2 Mike Golf, contact ground. Chino Tower, gyro 352, Mike Golf, holding short 26 right. Let's try once around the pattern.
Gyro 352, Mike Golf, Chino Tower, right close traffic approved, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, right close traffic, 352, Mike Golf. All right, here we go again on the center line. RPM 2000, pre-route. Adding power.
Cessna 7, Papa Mike, contact SoCal departure, goodbye.
Contact SoCal departure, set Papa Mike.
Rotor speed 140, 150, 160, 70, 80, 90, 200, a little extra. Here we go.
Traffic.
Chino Tower, Cessna 739 Alpha Tango, holding short 26 right, requesting traffic pattern.
Adding trim in.
November 739 Alpha Tango, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Not available.
26 right, cleared to take off left traffic for 26 left, 739.
Climbing nice. Tiny bit of stick shake, but not bad. Climbing over 1,000 feet a minute, and I'm not at full power. Backing off the power even. Turning crosswind, 1400. Wow, we got up here in a hurry. Yeah, without just being here by myself with this 916 engine, this thing is a rocket ship. Adding more.
To my golf, runway 26 right, cleared for the option.
So for the option, 26 right, to my golf. All right, nice. Trimmed out, hands off. Looking good. Everything is happy. Beautiful evening here in Southern California. Engine instruments and parameters. Oil temperature good, water temperature good, fuel pressure, oil pressure all good.
November 9 Alpha Tango, contact South Tower 120.12.
All right, let's do a little slow flight now here.
Traffic.
And Tower Gyro 2 Mike Golf, just checking if my transponder looks okay to you guys.
Gyro 2 Mike Golf, affirmative, your altitude indicates 1,600.
2 Mike Golf.
Chino Tower, Intel 24 holding short, 26 right for right turn out.
And Gyro 2 Mike Golf, actually extend down and I'll call your base.
We'll call base, 2 Mike Golf.
Intel 24, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, Intel 24.
Gyro 2 Mike Golf, base approved, traffic, midfield south downwind for the parallel Cessna.
Base approved for 26 right, 2 Mike Golf, and I will full stop this one.
Chino Tower, Cessna 857 Echo Romeo, check-in.
Cessna 857 Echo Romeo, Chino Tower. Inner left base, runway 26 right, number 2 followed gyro, turning on mile final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Left base, 26 right, 26 right, clear to land. You are number 2, 7 Echo Romeo, thank you.
Traffic not available. Traffic. Traffic.
Intel 24, right turn approved, contact Ontario Tower 120.6, good flight.
Right turn over to Ontario, Intel 24.
November 2 Mike Golf, turn right at Delta, contact ground point 6.
Right at Delta, contact ground. Thanks for all your help.
No problem.
All right, successful tests. Everything's looking good. Now that's probably it for today, but next time we go up, we're going to do a whole bunch of maneuvers in this thing, see how it flies, but it's flying really nice.